So this is Prince Chaudhary reporting for Pune Times Mirror. We are the Vadgaon Shari Gauthan where the PMC, as you can see, they are taking action against so-called unauthorized extensions of shops. But the owner has been telling Pune Mirror that no notice has been given, and not just the upper section but the entire part of the shop has been destroyed. As you can see here, the glass doors and everything has come down. PMC should, as per the residents of this area and the shop owners, PMC is saying that, the shop owners are saying that they should be given notice first before pulling down such structures. No notice was given. They had no chance to remove their items which were there inside. In this case, it was clothes. The entire structure has been completely demolished. This is a stringent drive being carried out by the Pune Municipal Corporation. Earlier, it was in Viman Nagar. One of the shop owners was refusing to move out. The JCP machine is pulling all these extended structures down. He's going at it again. He's probably going to pull down the entire structure. The shop owner is arguing that his entire shop will get destroyed. But the PMC is not relenting at all. No mercy. The entire structure is being removed. The shop owner is in a deep shock. Do you think that they're doing the right thing?
I don't think so, because they have not given us any kind of warning. Even the owner didn't warn us. It has just been like 2 months. I've opened my new clothing brand shop. By just saying them that there are mirrors, the shop is very fragile over there. After not giving the warning, they have just used all the bulldozers on my shop for no reason.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Rushabh Maske.
Rushabh Maske has just talked to Pune Times Mirror. He is saying no notice has been given and his shop has been pulled down. And he's saying it's been just 2 months since the shop has been opened. The entire shop front section has been completely demolished. So what they are saying is that the top structure could have been broken, but the entire shop, including the glass door, has been pulled down. For no reason. That's what the owner is saying.
Yeah.
So now this is a medical shop that they are targeting.
It has just been opened like 2 days back.
The medical shop has been opened just 2 days back. Complete demolition, no mercy. Everything is being removed. The side walls, the top awning. They are going all out in the demolition. The complete front portion has been removed. The boundary walls have also been broken. The second JCB machine is now setting up position to demolish some other shops. Traffic police are also in action, trying to streamline the traffic flow. Huge demolition, anti-encroachment drive in progress by the Pune Municipal Corporation. Lot of security, lot of cops. You can see in the distance. A vendor's shop is being pulled down. The Poklin machine's arm is bringing the whole structure down. As you can see here, these are all illegal, unauthorized structures that are being pulled down and demolished by the Pune Municipal Corporation's Anti-Encroachment Department. Local residents and shop owners are alarmed and distressed with this demolition drive. In Vadgaon Sheri. The JCB machine is still at it. It's going to crush the whole structure down. The demolition arm of the machine is going all out. It's bringing the whole structure down. Nothing remains. So it cannot be rebuilt easily. This is a huge, very major drive. All the shop owners are up in arms against this demolition which is taking place. The ground section in front of Tea House. Just the floor in front of the clinic. The extended arm of the JCB machine, which does the destroying and the demolition, is at work, as you can see here. Complete floor is being ripped off. The concrete floor, as you can see. A lot of dust in the air. Concrete dust, cement dust.